Hello, and if you're here because you've been looking for a guide how to change your Fiesta subframe bushes, you're in luck. Because I couldn't find anything for love or money. If you're here because you subscribe to the channel and you're looking for the usual racing content, I'm afraid you're not in luck. But this is quite important, so humour me if you don't mind. So. On a 10-year-old Fiesta, as mine is, as you can see, these subframe bushes do need doing. They're an MOT failure. So undo that nut for a kick-off. That's your brake line. Just get some room to get the socket on the other end of what you can see in the picture there. You might need a breaker bar. The subframe connects to a bracket that comes off. It's got 3 bolts. There I am, taking one off. That's the bracket. You can see that spike thing goes into the chassis. Comes off reasonably easy. So the tool I'm using, and I'll show you later on, comes with these different sized cylinder things. It's quite important you use the right size, and also you need one on both sides, not as I've done there, just using the washer because it knackers the washer, and all I managed to do was pull out the core, as you can see there. So you need one both sides. As you can see there, one goes around, one goes inside. It's a bit fiddly, but you've got to get the right dimensions. So and in fact, it shouldn't be too hard to do as well. If it's really hard, chances are something's gone wrong. It's a pain in the ass, but you need to reset, take the nuts off and see what's going on. But if it goes well, it should be reasonably straightforward to do, and that's what should happen. One cylinder should go in the subframe and be pushing the bush out. And I couldn't get it all the way out, as you can see, so a quick tap with the persuading device and she was out. Right, getting them back in again. The diameter is key here. You want it to go around the subframe. That's the subframe bush, the one that's going to push it back in. The other one, you just want it to go around the rim on the other side. Don't get one that's too big, because otherwise it'll go in at a really screwy angle, and it won't go in. I did use a heat gun, heated up the subframe a bit, and used a bit of vegetable oil to lube it up. I don't know if that's recommended or not, but I thought, vegetables, they degrade, sure it'll be fine. Anyway, and that's the result. Your bush goes in. That orientation, I know, isn't quite right. And there's the tool set that I got for about 60 quid, I think it was. I lost the instructions, but never mind. Figured it out. Broke one of the bars by not doing it properly. But yeah, as long as you use 2 cups, you should be good. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching.